Missed a payment on Afterpay and wondering about the fees? I've got you covered. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll explain the missed payment fee amount on Afterpay so you know what to expect and how to avoid extra charges. Step 1. If you miss a payment, Afterpay will charge a late fee. This fee varies by region but is usually around $8 or 25% of the missed installment, whichever is less. Step 2. Afterpay gives you a short grace period to make the payment without extra fees, so check your app notifications carefully. Step 3. Continued missed payments may lead to your account being frozen, blocking future purchases. Step 4. To avoid fees, always set reminders or enable payment notifications in the app. Remember, staying on top of payments keeps your credit safe and your wallet happy. Have you ever missed an Afterpay payment? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy finance tips. Thanks for watching.